This is the elevator at some building on Duke University that I'll get the building name and the title in Durham, North Carolina. It's a 1980s or 90s Dover with Atom Survivor Plus. And a fake dial-in care up there that's burned out. Got traditional inside. Basement. Here you go down. It's rear light controlled. I think it's in the 80s. Late 80s, early 90s, I think. Basement, no braille there, which is weird. Up to 4. Bell didn't ring that time. Here, go up. Maybe up doesn't work. I don't know. Oildraulic. Got the chirp. The relays are pretty loud on this one, or is that the selector? I'm not sure. Here, 4. Back down to 1. Yeah, it doesn't work. Weird phone handle, non-ADA phone. There's some information about the phone. Yeah, 1990. Yeah, 1990. Basic cab. This elevator definitely has its age. I don't think this elevator is original. I think this is an older building. You're back at 1. I wonder if those buttons are original or not. They look somewhat original. Here, close this and that's going to be it.